Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to the Best Preparation, our YouTube channel for learning English language. कृपया यो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्न युट्युबमा गएर द बेस्ट प्रिपरेसन सर्च गर्नुहोस्। यो खुलिसकेपछि सब्स्क्राइब बटन र नोटिफिकेसन बेलमा क्लिक गर्नुहोला। Okay, now let's move to today's lesson. धेरै प्रयोग भइराख्ने लिंकिङ वर्ड्स सो, बट, एन्ड हरू हुन्। अब यिनीहरूको प्रयोग लिएर आएको छु म। सो भनेको त्यसकारण हो। त्यसकारण नम्बर 1, I don't like traveling, so I haven't been to many places. I don't like traveling. I don't like going on a tour. Trip. मलाई ट्राभलिङ गर्न मन पर्दैन, यात्रामा जान मन पर्दैन। त्यसकारण सो I haven't been to many places. धेरै ठाउँमा गएको पनि छैन म। सो को प्रयोग I don't like traveling, so I haven't been to many places. Okay? Now, number 2, I had an urgent work yesterday, so I didn't go to work. I had an urgent work. एकदम जरुरी काम थियो मेरो। कहिले? Yesterday. So I didn't go to work. त्यसकारण म काम गर्न गइन। त्यसकारणको प्रयोग हो यो। Number 3, I wasn't hungry. म भोकाएको थिइन। So I didn't eat anything at the party. त्यसकारण मैले पार्टीमा केही पनि खाइन। I wasn't hungry. भोकाएको थिएन। So त्यसकारण So I didn't eat anything at the party. Okay? Now, तपाईहरु पहिलो बसमै जानु भएन र? किन ढिलो गर्नुभयो भन्दाखेरि We were very late. हामी त ढिलो भयौं। So we couldn't catch the first bus. त्यसकारण हामीले पहिलो बस पकड्न सकेनौं। We were very late. रिजन के हो? रिजन त्यो भयो हैन? के भयो त त्यसको परिणाम चाहिँ? इफेक्ट। So we couldn't catch the first bus. त्यसकारण हामीले पहिलो बस क्याच गर्न सकेनौं। पहिलो बस पक्रिन सकेनौं, भेट्न सकेनौं। जे भने पनि हुन्छ। अब सो को प्रयोग भयो यो। सो पनि एकदमै बढी युज भइराख्ने लिंकिङ वर्ड हो। But. But means तर। यो चाहिँ We went to the cinema, but the film wasn't very good. हामी सिनेमा हेर्न गयौं, तर फिल्म त्यति राम्रो थिएन। Wasn't very good. Okay? We went to the cinema, but the film wasn't very good. I wanted to invite you. मैले तपाईलाई, तिमीलाई निमन्त्रणा गर्ने इच्छा गरे, but I didn't have your contact number. तर मसँग तिम्रो कन्ट्याक्ट नम्बर थिएन। Okay? Number 3, I bought a newspaper. मैले पत्रिका किने, but I didn't read it. तर मैले त्यो पढिन। I asked many people. मैले धेरै मान्छेलाई सोधे, but no one showed me the way. तर मलाई कसैले पनि बाटो देखाइदिएन। ओके, यो बटको प्रयोग। एन्ड भनेको र पनि हुन्छ, अनि पनि हुन्छ, एर पनि हुन्छ। कसरी हुन्छ भन्ने यहाँ इक्जाम्पल्सहरू छ। सुजिता सेड गुड बाई एन्ड गट इन्टु हर कार। सुजिताले गुड बाई भनिन्, बिदा भनिन् र उनको कारमा चढिन्। र भयो अहिले। सुजिता सेड गुड बाई टु एभ्रीवन एन्ड गट इन्टु हर कार। सुजिताले सबैलाई बिदा भनिन् अनि उनको कारमा चढिन्। अनि भने पनि भयो, र भने पनि भयो। Yesterday I stayed at home and studied. हिजो म घरमै बसेर अध्ययन गरेँ। एर आयो अहिले, बसेर। ओके, 3 number. I went to Pokhara and visited Mahindra Cave. मैले पोखरा गएर महेन्द्र गुफाको भ्रमण गरेँ। I called her and gave the message. मैले उनलाई बोलाएर त्यो मेसेज खबर दिएँ। अब अहिलेसम्म मैले नेपाली मिनिङ सहित भनिराखेँ। अब यो भन्ने तरिकामा I don't like traveling, so I haven't been to many places. Number 2, I had an urgent work yesterday, so I didn't go to work. I wasn't hungry, so I didn't eat anything at the party. We were very late, so we couldn't catch the first bus. We went to the cinema, but the film wasn't very good. I wanted to invite you, but I didn't have your contact number. I bought a newspaper, but I didn't read it. I asked many people, but no one showed me the way. Sujita said goodbye and got into her car. Yesterday I stayed at home and studied. I went to Pokhara and visited Mahindra Cave. I called her and gave the message. Okay, that's the end of this short video. I hope you found it interesting and useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.